TeslaBot versus Boston Dynamics Atlas. Consider a society in which physical work is gone, with all labor-intensive tasks performed flawlessly by autonomous humanoid robots. This future would bring in an era of extraordinary human growth and potentially lessen human suffering caused by the poor working circumstances faced by the low-wage employees across the world. This is what TeslaBot and Dynamics Atlas are envisioned to do. I will be discussing the relationship that exists between these two technologies in today's video. If you don't want to miss out on this interesting topic, stay with me till the end of the video. Without further ado, let's get right into it. Yesterday, during Tesla's AI Day, they revealed the first glimpse at a new humanoid Tesla robot. Currently, they utilize two Boston Dynamics Spot robots to supplement their labor while creating Starship in Boca Chica, Texas. This begs the question, might this new Tesla robot replace Spot's place in Starbase? Tesla's long-awaited AI has finally arrived. It was accompanied by the introduction of their Dojo supercomputer, which is used to teach artificial intelligence. The first glimpse at the future Tesla robot was maybe one of the most contentious and certainly one of the most talked about moments. Tesla's humanoid robot, dubbed Optimus, short for Optimus Subprime, definitely created some attention on the social media. However, beyond the dancer in a suit and some fancy graphics, what exactly is a Tesla robot? Boston Dynamics has been at the forefront of this vision of a labor-free future, with each iteration of their robots gaining viral support on the internet. However, a recent announcement by Tesla CEO Elon Musk has brought new competition to the table with the announcement of a new project Elon calls the Tesla Bot. Both Tesla and Boston Dynamics want to build humanoid robots that can adapt to changing work environments and execute procedures with robotic precision. Although these firms' ultimate objective is to build a better, pain-free society, the economic ramifications of a limitless workforce might put into question the fundamental foundation of our economic system. The replacement of human employees will displace hundreds, if not millions of people, and the transition to a laborless society might be a painful one. What's Boston Dynamics' progress so far? Boston Dynamics has been working on LaborBot innovation for over 5 years, progressing from quadrupedal to bipedal human robots. Using sensors in the bot's head, as well as the code required to stabilize itself based on its center of gravity, this bipedal robot is capable of walking, jumping, flipping, and picking up objects while using its encoding algorithm to correct itself when it encounters obstacles in its environment. The dependability performance output of these robots are not yet sufficient to be sustained in a real-world work setting, but the ability to demonstrate the dependable simulation of human motor skills is a significant step forward in the development of labor-producing robots. As computer and mechanical engineering get more optimized, we may expect Boston Dynamics to build increasingly powerful and efficient robots with each passing year, with the final goal of creating a workforce-ready humanoid bot. What's TeslaBot progress so far? Tesla's recent announcement of a new robotics project represents the company's early phases of development. With no real robots being prototyped as of yet, the only information accessible is the first concept drawings offered by Elon at the project's unveiling. The idea behind the TeslaBot is that by combining current technology from Tesla's self-driving cars, they can construct a humanoid robot capable of adjusting to its surroundings in the same way that their vehicles can. Although Tesla's cutting-edge software has significant potential in environment-adapting robots, the capacity to consistently move around in the actual world has yet to be proved. Deriving knowledge from data is one thing, but putting that information into action in the actual world is a very different challenge that Tesla is just beginning to tackle. In this sense, Boston Dynamics has the advantage due to their 5+ years of expertise in the field. But if Elon's development in other technical sectors is any indication, a competitive prototype of the TeslaBot might be built within the next several years. Until then, we'll be keeping a careful eye on the progress of this new endeavor. Elon briefly mentioned the hypothetical future in which all labor is automated when he announced TeslaBot. With the probable annihilation of the labor market, humans will be faced with the issue of determining how to drive the economy in which we exist. How can a capitalist society thrive in a world with no workforce and consequently no wage earners? Elon proposed the universal basic income as a solution to this problem. But is it a viable option? These problems will most certainly be addressed adequately over the next several generations as this technology improves, but the broader implications of labor bots remain unanswered. If the present rate of invention continues, the first workforce bots might be created within the decade. Domestic implementation in the United States was completed in 50 years. Will Boston Dynamics emerge as the clear winner in the race to develop humanoid robots? Or will the aspirant Elon Musk overtake them as the new competitors? The entire world will be watching. Could Tesla's robot take over Boston Dynamics? There are many unsolved issues such as the price, extra sensors, battery life, and expandability, to mention a few. Once Tesla's robot is completely built, it could undoubtedly be utilized to complement and increase safety at SpaceX launch sites. The primary drawbacks of this capacity, in my opinion, is the robot's lack of scalability as a platform. The Spot robot offers an excellent flat base for construction, forelegs for stability, and the ability to easily add electrical payloads. The platform may be tailored to the needs of the user. Tesla's robot, with its limbs in human form, is designed to interact with the human world as it is. Its purpose as a robot is fairly broad. The utilization of spoken commands to get chores done is excellent, but until the end, users can add extra functions and sensors to match their demands. Tesla's robot's use case may be relatively restricted. If Tesla does open up the robot's capabilities for add-ons, how will these payloads influence the balance? And where will they be put on the robot? Maybe in a backpack? So many issues regarding Tesla's robot remain unanswered, but I'm looking forward to seeing a finished product find its place in the industry. Thank you for staying with me till the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, like and share the video with your friends and family. You can leave your questions and thoughts in the comment section below and I will respond as soon as I can. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified when we add new videos in the future. Thank you and bye for now.